Well, folks, welcome back. It's been a minute. There's been a lot going on in my life, and I gotta take care of that first before I can be here and do this for everybody else. But it's been interesting. But we're gonna go out. We're gonna bale the last cutting today. It is super windy today. Fields are starting to turn colors. We've got one that will probably be ready in the next 15-20 days if we don't get the rain they keep talking about. But yeah, let's get baling. I don't know if you guys know what those are supposed to look like, but that ain't right. It ain't supposed to do this either. This bastard be heavy. That's what it's supposed to look like. We'll go see what it's currently looking like. Oh, that's solid. Oh, yep, just gone. Oh, that's cute. Cute. I'm not touching that. Oh, Lord. The seal that it's supposed to have, and that's the bearing. Well, folks, we're going to do some other maintenance for all the hay stuff. We can't get bearings for that baler yet, so we're just going to sit and wait till they come in. But today we're going to take the knives off the Moco, sharpen them, flip them back over, and put them all back on again. I try to cut them, or try to sharpen them for us, how many acres we do once a year, give or take. When we had more, I'd do it twice a year, once in the middle of the season and then after the season. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. They're kind of corroded in there a little bit. So I gotta have a fun time trying to get them to come out. But it's not too bad. I think these are a little too tight because I didn't have a torque wrench with me when I put them on last time. And there's some Loctite on that one. So we're almost done. When I get done, tools are going to stay here. I'm going to walk back up and sharpen all of them and double check all the specs to make sure they're not too far gone so I can still keep using them. So we'll get back to it. Okay, we're putting them back on. I did that half of it. We're gonna do these last three here pretty quick, but it's pretty redundant. So there's a line on the bottom of these, which corresponds to the arrow I wrote down, and then there's a holder in there that looks like a bolt that'll go up into the inside of it. And I am spraying some Kimball Midwest on it to try to prevent corrosion. It's kind of like brake clean, PB blaster, and fluid film all mixed into one. And then it gets torqued down to 110 foot-pounds. And yeah, that's pretty much how you do this one. It's pretty easy to do this. So I'll just finish the rest of them out, but at least you guys saw one. Everything's got sharpened knives now. So now we're gonna go figure out what to do with the baler, because I'm gonna have a field ready of beans here in about 10 days. And the parts, the bearings on the baler are back ordered for about 10 days. So that's the next project. We'll keep it in this video because it still has to do with hay and the baler and that fiasco. So I decided I was just going to close it and park it back. But I pulled the belts out so they wouldn't get caught on nothing. And as long as nobody hooks into it, turns the PC on, it should be a-okay. We're going to hook into the grain cart quick, since harvest is in 2 weeks, or a week maybe. We'll find out. Oh folks, I finally got parts for the baler. 1, 2, 3, 4. I got my bearing, 2 bearings and my 2 caps. We're gonna die grind this out. This race, try to maybe clean that up a little bit. And then the other side's got pretty bad burrs on it. So we're gonna clean that out as well. So, we'll see what happens. And that's what I'm wanting to do. So if I take my rod and put it in here and try to smack that, we might be able to just pop it out. Oh, there's more pieces in there. Got it all polished up. There we go. Now to clean out the other side.